This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost pepper hot sauce. Before we begin, safety is paramount when handling these extremely hot peppers. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent skin and eye irritation. It's also crucial to work in a well-ventilated area, perhaps near an open window or with a fan, to avoid inhaling any potent fumes. Taking these precautions will ensure a safe and enjoyable hot sauce making experience. Now, let's gather our ingredients for this fiery creation. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh ghost peppers, depending on your desired heat level. For the liquid base, 1 cup of vinegar is essential for both flavor and preservation. We'll also add 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion, finely chopped, to build a robust flavor profile. Finally, have a 1/4 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt ready. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. In a saucepan, gently sauté the chopped ghost peppers, garlic, and onion for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Next, pour in the 1 cup of vinegar, the 1/4 cup of water, and the 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the peppers to become very tender. Then, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Once the mixture has cooled, carefully transfer it to a blender and process until it reaches a smooth consistency. For an extra smooth sauce, strain it through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract all the liquid. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt or a splash of vinegar if needed. Finally, pour your homemade ghost pepper hot sauce into sterilized bottles and store it in the refrigerator. Enjoy your incredibly spicy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.